Excuse me. Hi, Marie. I hope you're having a good holidays. Just having a look at your periodic table of the elements of Simon, and I see that you've chosen bismuth and plutonium and livermorium. So I don't know what livermorium is, but I'm really pleased that you've chosen some elements that are uncommon, and I hope you learned something from that. So you've got your, it looks like also that you've combined your um, background information and interesting facts, in which case I probably would have liked to have seen perhaps a little more information. You've got some good pictures. You've got your board diagrams for each of your elements, so that's really good. Incredibly complicated. Look at the nucleus on that one, plutonium, and the memoriam again. It's a very jam-packed atom, isn't it? So you've got some chemical equations, well, maybe not for that one, but for the others you do. So that's really good to see. So you've included all parts that you needed to. Perhaps a few more pictures of each of your elements would have been good. And you have a comprehensive bibliography, so I'm really pleased to see that. So you've done everything, you handed it in on time, which is good. Um, and I'm going to give you a very high. So congratulations, well done, and enjoy the rest of your holiday. Bye.